Welcome back to RevCheck, the channel where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles on the planet, from cutting-edge supercars to the ultimate rolling homes. Today, we're looking at something truly special, Ford's brand new 2026 motorhome. Ford has taken its decades of automotive expertise, blended it with state-of-the-art recreational vehicle innovation, and created a motorhome that is designed not just for traveling, but for redefining what road-bound luxury really means. From its commanding exterior presence to the meticulously crafted interior, this vehicle is aimed at travelers who don't want to compromise between performance, comfort, and technology. From the outside, the 2026 Ford Motorhome immediately captures attention with a bold yet streamlined profile. The aerodynamic bodywork reduces drag, improving both stability and efficiency on long hauls. The front fascia takes inspiration from Ford's latest truck and SUV lineup, featuring a wide grille with active shutters for better airflow, LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam shaping, and a sculpted bumper that integrates both fog lights and parking sensors seamlessly. The side profile reveals an extended cabin length, flush mount windows, and electrically retractable side steps that tuck neatly away when not in use. Even the wheel arches have been subtly flared to house the large all-terrain tires, mounted on polished 22-inch alloy wheels, giving it both elegance and road trip-ready toughness. Powering the 2026 Ford Motorhome is an impressive hybrid drivetrain. Under the hood, you'll find Ford's latest 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 paired with a high-capacity electric motor, delivering a combined 420 horsepower. This system isn't just about speed. It's engineered for smooth torque delivery, ideal for highway cruising and mountain climbing alike. The advanced 10-speed automatic transmission ensures optimal gear selection whether you're navigating winding scenic routes or overtaking on open freeways. To support long journeys, Ford has incorporated regenerative braking and a battery system capable of powering onboard appliances for hours without needing to run the engine or connect to shore power. For those wanting even more freedom, an optional solar panel roof extension can continuously top up the battery while you're parked. Step inside, and the 2026 Ford Motorhome quickly makes you forget you're in a vehicle at all. The moment you walk through the wide automatic entry door, you're welcomed by a lounge that feels like a high-end luxury apartment. Plush leather seating with multi-way power adjustments and built-in massage functions make long trips feel effortless. The interior color schemes range from warm earth tones to sleek modern monochromes, allowing buyers to customize the ambience. The living area is equipped with a panoramic smart glass window system. At the touch of a button, the glass can transition from crystal clear to fully opaque for privacy. Overhead, ambient LED lighting is subtly integrated into the ceiling contours, and customizable color presets let you set the mood for any time of day. The kitchen is a masterpiece of space optimization and style. Ford's designers have included a full-size induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, and a built-in refrigerator with a dual-zone freezer. The countertops are finished in lightweight quartz composite, offering the elegance of stone without the weight penalty. Ample storage compartments use soft-close mechanisms, and a hidden pantry slides out to reveal neatly organized shelves for long-trip food supplies. Even the sink comes with an integrated cutting board and collapsible drying rack to maximize counter space when cooking. This kitchen isn't just for reheating leftovers, it's for gourmet meals on the go. Toward the rear, the bedroom area offers genuine home-level comfort. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress ensures restful nights, and a headboard integrates wireless charging pads for your devices. The bed is positioned to face a retractable 55-inch 8K OLED TV that rises from a cabinet at the foot of the bed, ideal for movie nights. Side windows have remote-control blackout shades, and a skylight above can be opened for stargazing on clear nights. Clever underbed storage and wardrobe closets provide space for extended travel wardrobes, and a small work desk in the corner makes remote working on the road a seamless experience. The bathroom in the 2026 Ford Motorhome is perhaps its biggest surprise. It's spacious, featuring a rainfall shower with smart temperature control, a porcelain toilet with bidet functionality, and a vanity with a backlit mirror that doubles as a touchscreen control panel for the vehicle systems. High-end ceramic tiles and chrome fixtures create a spa-like atmosphere, making you feel pampered even when you're parked in the middle of nowhere. An integrated washer-dryer combo is discreetly tucked into a cabinet, adding yet another layer of convenience. When it comes to technology, Ford hasn't held back. The 2026 motorhome features a central AI-driven control system accessible through voice commands or the main touchscreen panel in the lounge. This system manages lighting, climate, entertainment, security cameras, and navigation all in one place. The vehicle comes with 5G connectivity, satellite internet, and a built-in entertainment server, so you can stream or download media even when you're off-grid. For safety, there's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system with predictive collision alerts. Ford has also introduced a semi-autonomous driving mode specifically for motorhomes, capable of handling long straight highway stretches so drivers can relax while staying in control. On the road, the 2026 Ford Motorhome feels far more composed than its size would suggest. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, the ride remains smooth over rough terrain, and the cabin stays whisper quiet even at higher speeds. The steering is responsive, and the braking system is confidence-inspiring despite the vehicle's substantial mass. Noise-canceling insulation keeps out wind and road sounds, allowing for quiet conversation or immersive entertainment while cruising. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly good for its class, with the hybrid system helping it achieve a range that rivals smaller RVs. For those considering ownership, Ford offers extensive customization options, from exterior paint finishes to full interior material upgrades. Buyers can choose solar energy packages, expanded water tanks, or even a rear garage bay for carrying small vehicles or adventure gear. Pricing is competitive for the luxury motorhome segment, starting in the mid-six-figure range. But with the level of craftsmanship, technology, and comfort on offer, many will find it a worthy investment in a life of travel and exploration. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is more than just a new entry in the RV market. It's a statement. It shows that Ford understands modern travelers' needs for luxury, independence, and sustainability. With its blend of automotive performance, residential comfort, and smart technology, it stands as one of the most compelling motorhomes of its generation. For those who want the freedom of the open road without leaving behind the luxuries of home, this Ford is ready to deliver an unforgettable journey. This has been RevCheck. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review where the road never ends, and the adventure is always just beginning.